Hello, Dave here, and today with me I've got the goalie Tim, we got Jake, Daniel, and today we're going to be doing some dizzy shots. So let's go.
We all suck at.
I'm gonna get dizzy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What? You guys are getting... Alright, Jake's gonna go now.
2. If you take it, I'm stopping.
I'm not.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Colin, stop. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Holy crap.
Oh! Shit!
2, 3, 4, 5,
I'm just switching out the balls. This one's better.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Oh, no.
11,
Who
12,
can do it?
13,
Tim can.
14,
Who can do it? Tim can.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Go, Tim! Alright, now Daniel's gonna go. Dan, go. Dan, go. Daniel, get dizzy. You noob, get dizzy. Go. Go.
I'm not gonna get dizzy so I can get worse at a sport that I'm bad at.
Yes, you are.
Fine. North Spawn.
Oh, way to go! So, thanks for watching that, guys. It went a little bit wrong, but, you know.
No, it went a little wrong for you.
Yeah, oh, shush. Alright, so we'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit the sub button. We're working to 30, okay? And we're going to go for 5 likes, okay? Do it. Bye.